say your man can't control your body, so make up rock your body, rock your body, rock your body, rock your body, rock your body.
You can't do it. I can't. You are stressing me to hell.
I can never do things right. Oh my gosh. Anyway, you guys, welcome back to my channel. And yeah, welcome back. Let's get right into the video. That's all I have to say today. That's it. As you can see, that's all I'm gonna say today. Like, so let's get started. And my battery is like halfway, almost dead, so I don't know if you guys will be able to see the full flexi rod, but I'll figure it out. Let's just get started. All right, and I knew I forgot something. I'll be right back. So I'm gonna start at the back, and I'm just gonna grab a section of it. It smells so good. And my little sister put me onto this, so it's a clear gel. Take a little bit of it, section of my hair. I'm just gonna smooth it. Smooth operator. Okay, so we're just gonna do that. Then we'll take the flexi rod. We're gonna take it by the tip of my hair, and then I'm going to wrap it around the center of the flexi rod, and then twist. Twist, 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 twist upward. Twist upward, and then curve in, and curve the other end in as well. And here we have one done flexi rod. Wrap it around the center, and then wrap upwards and almost a diagonal kind of angle, right? And then whoop, and then twist. Here we are. All right, guys, so it's the morning after. Sorry if I'm wearing the same shirt, but I like this shirt. So I'm gonna do the big reveal. In all honesty, I feel like it's not gonna come out the way I expect it to, which is the way everybody, you know, it's like expectations versus reality. I feel like I'm gonna be more on the reality side. So anyway, let's unveil this. Hopefully it comes out right, because I'm going to the Burna Boy concert and I really want to have flexi rods. But it is what it is. I am gonna post this regardless because I promised it. So I actually recorded the unveiling, like the unraveling of the rods, but my card got full, so that footage is lost. But here it is. You know, we got some that gave us like the rod look at the ends, but I don't think I rolled it up quite tight enough for it to like get more of the kind of, what is this? the rod twist or the flexi, I don't freaking know. Yeah, so we have some ends attempted to do it, and then we have the back where it's just poofed up. The back, just this part, it was like, nope, I'm clocking out for the day, you doing too much, Kim. So yeah, this is my hair, and I look and feel like James Brown. Definitely took the curl better when I stretched out my hair, you know, blew it out and then did the flexi rod method. But when I was doing it with my coils kind of stretched out, it was not trying to, no. So for my hair type, I guess if I want to do this successfully, I have to stretch out my hair, even though this is not a very successful attempt. I think what I'm gonna do, not today but in the future, is probably buy perm rods, because honestly in all the videos I watched there was better results with perm rods. So I'm gonna try perm rods at a later date. But yeah, here is what it turned out to be, and I'm going to the Burna Boy concert today. I don't know what I'm gonna do with my hair, because at this point we'll figure something out. But I definitely wanted to show you guys, you know, not give up, and show you guys that yes, I said something and I stuck to my guns, even though it didn't turn out the way that I expected it. But that's like, sometimes, you know, we can't all be natural hair gurus. We can try and then keep trying at it until we get it right. So second time wasn't as bad as the first time, but I guess this is something that I have to keep trying at it, and when I am finally successful with it, I will put out a very successful video. But at least at this moment we can all laugh. You know, if you're having a bad week, you can laugh at the fact that this is what I'm going to the Burna Boy concert with. So yeah, I just went in the bathroom to like separate it, and like the front has some definition. Okay, so okay, if you do this flexi rod attempt, don't just give up at like the unveiling. Try to separate it and see if you get some curl definition. I mean, it's still not all the way perfect, but it's looking like something. It's looking like a little something, you feel me? So the front is very like, let me see if I can pick up the piece that, this piece really took the rod. So honestly, it's just practice makes perfect, but this part is just straight. This part did nothing. This is the end of the video. I hope you guys enjoy it.